Welcome to this quick Flutter tutorial. In today's video, I'll walk you through creating a Flutter app with a custom organization identifier using the org flag, then opening it in Visual Studio Code and starting debugging, all in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your command prompt. Once it's open, type the command flutter create org com.paulsplus mypaulsplus. In this command, com.paulsplus serves as your reverse domain style organization identifier, and mypaulsplus is the name of your new Flutter project. When you hit enter, Flutter will automatically scaffold a new project complete with all the essential files and directories required for a Flutter application. After the project has been created, navigate into your new project's directory by typing cd mypaulsplus. This step is important because it sets your working directory to the project folder, ensuring that any further commands you run are executed in the correct context. Next, it's time to open your project in Visual Studio Code. In the same command prompt window, type code. This command launches VS Code and opens your project folder, allowing you to easily explore and modify your code. Once VS Code opens, take a moment to review the project structure. You'll notice directories like lib for your Dart code along with platform-specific folders for Android and iOS. With your project now loaded in Visual Studio Code, the next step is to run your Flutter app. In VS Code, navigate to the Run menu at the top of the interface and click on Start Debugging. This action compiles your project and launches it on your connected device or emulator. Within seconds, you'll see your Flutter app come to life with its default starter template, usually the classic counter app, which confirms that your environment is set up correctly. In summary, you've just created a Flutter app with a custom organization identifier using the org flag, navigated into your project folder, opened it in Visual Studio Code, and started debugging the app. This streamlined process is not only great for quickly setting up your project, but also essential for ensuring your app is uniquely identified when it's time to publish. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Flutter tips and tutorials, and leave any questions or comments down below. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.